Oh, today is a big day. We are flying to India in about 4 hours. I feel like this is a big day for anyone who travels, really. Like, going to India is a bit different to anywhere I've ever been. It's much bigger. I know I'm gonna have a culture shock, but I'm here for it. That's what traveling is all about. Yeah, I'm just gonna try and find Joe. He's probably up here, going for some food, and then we are going to head to the airport. We fly into Mumbai. We leave Phuket at 11:05. We arrive in Mumbai at 2 o'clock. And we ain't got nowhere booked just yet, so we need to book some stuff when we get to the airport. But yeah, I'm excited. Very excited. Very nervous as well. I've never been nervous really to go to a country, but today I am, which is kind of a weird feeling. But like I said, I'm here for it. We're sat in the airport now, waiting for our flight. It opens at 8:05, so we've got about 20 minutes. It's getting a bit real now. We've booked our flight to Kathmandu from New Delhi. We're in India for 50 days, 7 weeks and 1 day. It's going to be a roller coaster. I am excited for it. We're both looking forward to it, shall I say. Yeah, see what India has to hold. By the time we leave India, we're going to be seasoned vets in the old fucking travel game for sure. It's just getting into India now with the visas. We both got our visas printed. I printed them out at home, so we've got them printed. They're also e-visas, so we've got them on our phones. But yeah, hopefully all goes well. Next time I see you, I might be in India, because I don't know if I'm going to show you any of the airport stuff, because none of that stuff's quite fun, is it really? Let's be honest. We've just landed in Mumbai, flying in. It's made me very nervous. Ooh, we've got paisley fit on as well today, and that is respecting the Indians, because it originated in India 2,000 years ago. We've literally got paisley floor as well. It's everywhere. I am one with the floor. So I'm at the bit that I was dreading. I'm at the e-visa bit, the immigration, and he's just said 1 second, took all my stuff, and he is now walking off. I should be alright, I should be alright. I just panic when stuff like this happens. I'm not the best at passport control. It always gets me going a little bit. Positive mind, I'll be in Mumbai within the next 10 minutes for sure. We made it through, baby. Hat's going back on. I think that's everything. Now we just got to go get our bags. He started asking me loads of questions. I don't think Joe's bloke even asked him any questions, and he's the one that's been to fucking jail. But we're through. I feel like that's the hard part done. Fucking in back streets of Mumbai, baby. So happy we're here now. Right, we officially made it through. It smells good. Joe's back with Pretty. Yeah, she's told us to go to P4, P3, P4 to get a taxi. So we've had a bit of help from one of the locals already. It smells so good. This is the first steps. My first steps in Mumbai. Boom. And we're in India. Yes.
And we're here.
We're here in India. Right, with the help of Pretty, we've made it in a taxi. You can tell you're in India as well, because it is busy.
And horny.
Yeah.
Couldn't buy that.
Everyone's just beeping constantly.
No sexual innuendos implied. What is going on with this function? There is no organisation. There is no organisation.
Bro just walking with his apples, mate.
Right.
With onions.
I like it. Busy, brother.
After a hectic drive, about 40-minute drive, made it to our hostel. Yeah, it feels weird, it smells a bit funky. Let's see. Hello! We're here. We've made it. That has been so stressful, bro. I'm just trying to understand and I don't know. We're trying to get booked in, but it's all been a kerfuffle. It's all been messed up. So basically, they cancelled our booking, so we've had to rebook it. And now because we've had to rebook it, it's costing more money than what we originally was planning on paying. And then we ain't got no cash, so we only had like fucking 4,000 cash between us both, and it cost like 4,500. So we now owe the hostel money. We don't know where our cash in is, we've got no SIM card. Once we're all settled down, my head will be untangled and I'll be alright. I won't be in a bag. It's stressing me out. Hostel dog. Tra, tra, tra. This is the vibe. It's the vibe of where we're staying. It's alright. Do you know what? After all the kerfuffle, we've just met a lovely girl called Jenny as well, who is from England. She's travelling alone. She got here today from England. Yeah. Tra, tra. Hello. Hello. We're walking the streets of Mumbai. on a hunt for the SIM cards, but no one seems to understand us, which is understandable because I don't understand Indian. But they've got a lot of cake shops here. They seem to like cakes. Just crossed my first road as well. Didn't get run over. We still live in. You know how it is. Come on, Shan. So we stopped off at Mackey's because we need to figure out what we're doing. We still need to sort a SIM card out, but nowhere sells Geo SIM cards, and that's what we need. We've been told to get it, so we're on the hunt. They do some funky things in it, but I went with just a chicken burger, Coke, and some cheesy cheese bites. Pretty boring. They do like kebab burgers, cheesy, like loaded fries and stuff. Iced coffee, they do it all here. We're trying to find our way around. It's a bit of a madness. It's hectic in Mumbai. We're still on the hunt for a fucking SIM card. It's been about 2 hours. All I've had is a McDonald's since I got here.
We're at Juhu Circuit. I have no idea where we are, apart from that information.
Yeah, Juhu Circuit. Juhu! Yeah, it's wild. Everyone's just walking on the streets, looking for some money, trying to sell me some rubbish bags and that, some strawberries. I'm just fucking going for it, sending it. Look at that. Fucking seasoned vet. We've just met some locals who are helping us out. They're saying get Airtel. We've travelled the whole city for a Geo SIM. We've been to Airtel shops and now we're finally here getting one.
Go there, we go there, we go there. Everywhere. It's like you have to check for your
Locals are helping.
Check your shoulders.
Yeah, baby. Jesus Christ, this is fucking mental.
Yes, the boys.
Right, so the boys.
Alright.
Okay,
I'll cover this.
Yeah. They've helped us.
We tried.
They tried.
We tried.
But at least we know that Airtel.
We've got it now. It's in the bag now. We know exactly where the Viettel shop is.
So do you want us to help you to the next store?
But big up the lads who are just helping us. Not too sure of the names, but yeah, the locals in India are really nice. They said they're helping us because we're their guests, and people don't do that in England. So yeah, I'm very happy. First impressions of Mumbai are very good. It's a bit messy. It's a bit manic, but the people here, they seem very nice. They greeted us well. Yeah, they're football trainers, but they're not SIM card finders. It's a shame.
Take care, man.
Thank you.
Yeah, amazing, bro. Good to see you, man.
And you, man.
Thank you for helping us.
No problem.
Cheers, man.
Bye, guys.
After all of that, we're back at where we started. Is it closed? No. Just go. Sorry. Just have it up, son. It looks like it could be open. Please be open.
Yes.
Yeah. We're back at where we started. Hello. Joe's trying to fill this in. So funny.
How did? Mate, he's just added numbers onto my zip code. I don't even know what my zip code is. I just blew a bubble with my spit. Transform the phone into a motorbike. Transformer.
No.
What about Bugatti Veyron? It's basically, this sim here is a transforming sim. It will adapt and overcome time. Time is not
The Bear Grylls sim.
Time is not of the essence here. Time is merely just a measurement of nothing.
Blink.
We've literally been searching all night for a SIM card. We've been exploring, we've found some people, we've met some people. Everyone's been nice. It's still so busy in Mumbai. Hello. Mumbai seems very busy constantly. I don't think it sleeps. Moscow don't sleep, neither does Mumbai, and I need some sleep because I am shattered. We have a tour tomorrow with the person from our hostel. It's a free tour. He said he's going to go and show us about the place. So yeah, we're going to go to the south of Mumbai and do some sightseeing, so that should be good. And we'll be with someone who lives in Mumbai, so that'll be a good thing, walking around with a local who can show us the ropes, help us get the best deals on stuff, and not get mugged off, hopefully.
Oh my god. Whoa, it's 3D, bro. No, this shit will give you square eyes, bro.
But beneath the surface, steep slopes to
She's got 500 grams of grapes, Joe's got 500 grams. Jenny's got a kg of fucking oranges. Good little stall. Got the oranges, apples, some grapes, got the apples. They know what they're doing. Selling fresh produce.
Mate, look at that.
First impression of Mumbai, it's good. I like it. I fuck with it. It's a bit hectic, but it's the people inside the city that make the city. And everyone I've met so far, I've got nothing bad to say about them. They're all very nice. Some people don't speak very good English, but we're not in England, so you gotta respect it. Also, I've had someone ask me for a selfie. I've had an Indian person ask me my profession. I said, I'm an electrician. They said, oh, I thought you was a model. And I said, fucking, it's hot already. Don't make me blush. Right, so we're with the people from the hostel, going to get some food. They've got a car. Me and Joe are definitely jumping in it. And we're gonna go find some real authentic Indian food. Yeah, the day has gone swimmingly well for both of us. Both of us Westerners. Joe's just trying to sort out his sim because they are taking piss of that, I won't lie. It's been a long time. Airtel we're going with as well. It's mental. Getting a Range Rover. So Joe,
I've got long legs.
Tall guy, come front.
yes, tall guy in the front. Okay, we're in.
So what do you do for a job?
Me job?
Yeah.
No, I don't work. I only chill.
He's chill guy.
कौन सी लोकेशन पे देगा? कलीना किधर है इधर?
तो आप नहीं आ
We're
रहे
in
हो?
the Range, eh?
किधर?
आप
Gonna get
नहीं आ रहे हो
some
हमारे साथ?
food. Life's crazy.
The leather interior.
साथ में तो जा रहे हैं ना?
फिर आएंगे?
जल्दी जल्दी
Madness.
खा गए तो छोड़ के जाते हैं. It's a local dish.
A local dish. We're with the boys. Eating some food. They're showing us the ropes. He's ordered everything. We actually don't know what's coming, but we're here for it. We are here for it. More meat come out. Joe, what's your verdict?
We're going straight. Our first taste without it.
Let me know what you're thinking. Wow.
Wow, that's good beef. That is good beef. That is good beef.
That's some really good beef. We've fully got a whole beef. Church thing, Joe.
Let's get stuck in. Let's get stuck in, man.
It's so good.
So good. Put everything. All of that. Okay? Now what do we do?
No,
What this? We need a bit.
hold.
All of it?
Hold this. Yeah, and serve.
Ooh, that's burning. What? Take that off.
Take more.
This is serving.
What do you mean? Just, there you go.
Yeah.
There you go. There you go, brother. Thank you. Sorry, I was confused.
Go on.
Right. We're getting stuck in.
I've got to try it. It's good.
We're not very...
That is sour apple. Sour apple? Custard apple. It's custard apple.
But what's the fruit?
The fruit is sour apple. It is good, but I'm full up. They've been trying to beef me and Joe up big time.
I'm done. I'm tapping out. Tapping out.
What a first night in Mumbai. Thank you very much, India.
Man.
So me and Joe have just gone to pay and he said, no mate, you're our guest. You don't have to pay. So Thank you. Thank you to the boy. I don't know what we're doing now. We're just going with the flow. They've just been cooking some bread in the hot oil. How are you?
Hello, brother.
Yeah.
How are you doing? You good?
Okay.
Good. Nice to meet you. Yeah, go on.
Do you want a picture?
How's it?
Come in the middle.
Yeah.
Celebrities around here, you know us. We're just pulling up. In the range. I know it's happened, but it's happened. Let's shoot a video too, bro. This is a bad boy. Don't know how we just got ourselves in that situation.
How have we even done that?
I want to start dancing. Acid. Yeah. And boys know what they're doing. Back at the hospital now. It is like midnight, so I need to get my head down, get some sleep. Big day tomorrow. Big day exploring Mumbai. New day. My first full day in Mumbai, and I can't wait for it. So yeah, thank you boys for watching, and I will see you in 2 days' time for another video.